Welcome to the magical house. Today, we're embarking on a wonderful trip to a lovely house right in the middle of nature. This house offers an amazing adventure as the day turns into night and each of the dogs slowly falls asleep. Would you like to join me in checking who's still awake? Hello, Shih Tzu. In the amazing house, the Shih Tzu is a delightful and affectionate friend. During the day, it parades with elegance, spreading joy with its playful antics. As the sun sets, the Shih Tzu finds a soft cushion to rest, dreaming of tender moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of sweet charm. It's a heartwarming dreamer in the home. Can you kiss to the Shih Tzu and wish her a peaceful sleep? Good night, Shih Tzu. Hello there, Pembroke Welsh Corgi. In the wonderful house, the Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a spirited and lovable companion. During the day, it scampers through rooms, bringing joy with its lively presence. As the sun sets, the Corgi finds a cozy corner to rest, dreaming of playful frolics and sharing the house's dreams with an infectious sense of delight. It's a charming dreamer in the home. Can you say good night to the Pembroke Welsh Corgi and wish her a peaceful sleep? Good night, Pembroke Welsh Corgi. Hi there, Australian Shepherd. In the miraculous house, the Australian Shepherd is an intelligent and active friend. During the day, it engages in playful activities, showcasing its agility and enthusiasm. As the sun sets, the shepherd finds a comfortable spot to rest, dreaming of sheep herding and sharing the house's dreams with an air of clever charm. It's a dynamic dreamer in the home. Can you say good night to the Australian Shepherd and wish her peaceful dreams? Good night, Australian Shepherd. Hello, Yorkshire Terrier. In the fantastic house, the Yorkshire Terrier is a tiny and delightful companion. During the day, it explores with dainty steps, bringing joy with its charming antics. As the sun sets, the Terrier finds a soft spot to rest, dreaming of glamorous adventures and sharing the house's dreams with an air of endearing elegance. It's a delightful dreamer in the home. Can you blink slowly just like the Yorkshire Terrier and whisper good night? Good night, Yorkshire Terrier. Hello there, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. In the fabulous house, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is a gentle and affectionate companion. During the day, it gracefully moves through rooms, spreading warmth with its sweet nature. As the sun sets, the Spaniel finds a cozy spot to rest, dreaming of royal moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of regal charm. It's a heartwarming dreamer in the home. Can you say goodnight to the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel? Good night, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Hi there, Doberman Pinscher. In the terrific house, the Doberman Pinscher is a vigilant and loyal protector. During the day, it stands guard with a watchful demeanor, ensuring safety. As the sun sets, the Pinscher finds a secure spot to rest, dreaming of steadfast guardianship and sharing the house's dreams with an unwavering sense of security. It's a steadfast dreamer in the home. Can you say goodnight to the Doberman Pinscher and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, Doberman Pinscher. Hello, Boxer. In the brilliant house, the Boxer is a playful and energetic companion. During the day, it bounds through rooms, filling the air with joyous energy. As the sun sets, the Boxer finds a cozy spot to rest, dreaming of lively romps and sharing the house's dreams with an infectious sense of exuberance. It's a spirited dreamer in the home. Can you help the Boxer settle down and say goodnight? Good night, Boxer. Hello there, miniature Schnauzer. In the awesome house, the miniature Schnauzer is a spirited and alert friend. During the day, it explores corners with curiosity, adding charm to every step. As the sun sets, the Schnauzer finds a snug corner to rest, dreaming of joyful escapades and sharing the house's dreams with an air of delightful charisma. It's a lively dreamer in the home. Can you say goodnight to the miniature Schnauzer and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, miniature Schnauzer. Hi there, Cane Corso. In the enchanting house, the Cane Corso is a strong and loyal guardian. During the day, it moves with a dignified presence, embodying strength and protection. As the sun sets, the Corso finds a secure spot to rest, dreaming of steadfast guardianship and sharing the house's dreams with an unwavering sense of security. It's a steadfast dreamer in the home. Can you wave to the Cane Corso and say goodnight? Good night, Cane Corso. Hello, Great Dane. In the fascinating house, the Great Dane is a gentle giant and a loving companion. During the day, it gracefully moves through rooms, spreading warmth with its kind nature. As the sun sets, the Dane finds a comfortable spot to rest, dreaming of tender moments and sharing the house's dreams with an air of gentle grandeur. It's a heartwarming dreamer in the home. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the Great Dane? Good night, Great Dane. In this magical house, as the house becomes quiet and the stars twinkle, all the dogs have found their cozy spots and are falling asleep. You've been a wonderful helper in wishing each one a peaceful slumber. Now it's your turn to close your eyes and dream about all the dogs we met in the house today. Good night, little one. Good night, house. Good night, dogs.